Hello, this is Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College. I am Ramanjan sir. Let us see in continuation of lecture 9, the lecture 10. The problems in continuation of lecture 9. See the now 11th problem. Find the positive root of x minus cos x is equal to 0 by bisection method, correct up to 3 decimal places. Correct up to 3 decimal places. So, in this problem, find the positive root of x minus cos x is equal to 0. The transcendental equation by bijection method, correct up to 3 decimal places. As we are discussing the algebraic equations and the transcendental equations, whose solutions. For trigonometric functions, use radian mode in scientific calculator. Right. How to use the radian mode for the simplifications of trigonometric functions. Let f of x is equal to x minus cos x. Of course, is equal to 0, it is as 1. As intervals not given for this problem, find the intervals by trial and error method. Trial and error. So that f of 0, starting with positive value, f of 0 is equal to 0 minus, that is x minus actually, cos x is equal to 0 minus cos 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 less than 0. So far, radian mode of trigonometric functions press DRG. In calculator, you have the words are there. You get radians. For 0 radians, press 0 and cos. that is cos 0 is equal to 1. So here we have the cos 0. So the cos 0 is 1. Next, f of 1 is equal to 1 minus cos 1 is equal to 1 minus, so cos 1 means cos 1 like this. Press 1 and cos. So cos 1 is equal to 0.54032. 0.54032 is equal to 0.459 is greater than 0. This implies f of 0 into f of 1 is equal to, that is less than 0, as this is less than 0 and this is greater than 0. So the root lies between 0 and 1. So first approximation root x1 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Even the graph also to be, as it is 0, this is 1, as first is less than 0 and second one is greater than 1. This is f of 0 is less than 0 and f of 1 is greater than 0. This is x1. So automatically this side is positive and this side is negative. So f of 1 is equal to f of x1 is equal to f of 0.5 is equal to 0.5 minus cos 0.5 is equal to minus 0.37758 less than 0. So the root lies between 0.5 and 1. x2 is equal to 0.5 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.75. Even f of x2 is equal to f of 0.75 is equal to 0.75 minus cos 0.75 is equal to 0.03618,311 is greater than 0, as it is positive again. So since positive, the root lies between the root lies between 0.5 and 0.75, so that x3 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.75 divided by 2 is equal to 0.625. So f of 0.625 is equal to 0.625 minus cos of 0.625 is equal to minus 0.18596 is less than 0. So the root lies between 0.625 and 0.75. So that x4 is equal to 0.625 plus 0.75 divided by 2 is equal to 0.6875. So f of 0.6875 is equal to 0.6875 minus cos 0.6875 is equal to minus 0.08535. It is less than 0. The root lies between 0.6875 and 0.75. x5 is equal to 0.6875 plus 0.75 divided by 2 is equal to 0.71875. So f of 0.71875 is equal to 0.7875 minus cos of 0.71875 is equal to minus 0.033879 is less than 0. The root lies between 0 means 0.71875 and 0.75. x6 is equal to 0.71875 plus 0.75 divided by 2 is equal to 0.73438. Here is f of 0.73438. 0.73438 minus cos 0.73438 is equal to minus 0.007866 is less than 0. The root lies between 0.73438 and 0.75. x7 is equal to 0.73438 plus 0.75 divided by 2 is equal to 0.742190. That is f of x7 is equal to f of 0.742190 is equal to 0.742190 minus cos 0.742190 is equal to 0.005199. It is greater than 0. So as x7 is to be 0 point, whose functional value is whose functional value is greater than 0, so that the root lies between the root lies between 0.73438 and 0.742190. Next, x8 is equal to 0.73438 plus 0.742190 divided by 2 is equal to 0.73829. So f of 0.73829 is equal to 0.73829 minus cos 0.73829 is equal to minus 0.0013325 is less than 0. The root lies between 0.73829 and 0.742190. So x9 is equal to 0.73829 plus 0.742190 divided by 2 is equal to 0.7402. F of 0.7402 is equal to 0.7402 minus cos of 0.7402 is equal to 0.0018663 is greater than 0. The root lies between as positive value it is, so that 0.73829 and 0.7402. So x10 is equal to 0.73829 plus 0.7402 divided by 2 is equal to 0.73925. This is f of 0.73925 is equal to 0.73925 minus cos 0.73925 is equal to 0.0002795 is greater than 0. The root lies between as positive value 0.73829 and 0.73925. x11 is equal to 0.73829 plus 0.73925 divided by 2 is equal to 0.738 is equal to 0.739 approximate. So since x10 and x11 have the same values up to 3 decimal places, then x is equal to 0.739 is the positive root of the given equation. So that as correcting up to 3 decimal places, x10 and x11 almost have the same values. So x is equal to, up to 3 decimal places, 0.739 is the positive root of the equation. So 12th problem, find the real root of the equation. Find the real root of the equation. F of x is equal to e power x minus 3x is equal to 0. Using bisection method, in 5 stages in close interval 1, 2. Right. This is also the similar problem as we did previously as e power x function. Remaining minus 3x is the algebraic term. So how to find out the e power x values that we discussed even the previous problem. So solution is to be similar. So this problem a little bit I will write the remaining stages, you can do it. Let f of x is equal to e power x minus 3x, comma, for all x belongs to close interval 0, 1. So f of 1 is equal to e power 1 minus 3 is equal to 2.7 minus 3. It is less than 0. F of 2 is equal to e square minus 3 into 2, even here also 3 into 1, is equal to 7.3890 minus 6 is equal to 1.3890 is greater than 0. So that it is f of 1 into f of 2 is less than 0. Even the graph is also to be 0 and 1, and first is the less than 0 and this is greater than 0. So f of 0 is less than 0, f of 1 is greater than 0. This is x1, and this side is the positive values and this side is the negative values. The root lies between 0 and 1. So first approximation root, x1 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Right. Similarly, you check x2 is equal to 1.75 x3 is equal to 1.625, x4 is equal to 1.5625, x5 is equal to 1.53125. Right, as only they are asking 5 stages. At the 5th stage, at the 5th stage, at the 5th stage, the real root of the equation, real root of the given equation is x is equal to 1.5313 approximate value. Right. So here a few approximations need to be found. As you know how to find out the e power x values that we discussed in the previous problem. Thank you very much. As this is x8, the x8 value, right, f of x8 value is to be, it is not plus, it is to be minus 0.0034 less than 0. As it is to be less than 0, right, the next root lies between 3.6906 and 3.6937. So that x9 is 3.6906 plus 3.6937 is equal to 3.6921. Right. F of x9 is equal to f of 3.6921 is equal to, its simplification is minus 0.00156 is less than 0. As it is less than 0, the root lies between, the root lies between, as less than 0, 3.6921 and 3.6937. Right, x10 is equal to 3.6921 plus 3.6937 divided by 2 is equal to 3.6929. Right, up to the 4 decimal, 3 decimal places in these 3 values. Since x9 and x10 have the same values, up to 3 decimal places, then x is equal to 3.692 is the real root of the given equation. Of the given equation. Right. See that now, as up to 3 decimal places, the required real root, which is approximation root of the given equation. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.